Look great though. Like this green looks fucking awesome. Hello everybody. Today we have these badges that are fully cured finally after 48 hours. Unfortunately it's cloudy as hell out here. It's been raining all day, so I'm not going to have a chance to show these off in some sunlight, but just the natural light really helps. It's a nice deep green. Like, this natural light looks awesome. Really need some sunlight to show these off properly. But you can probably tell already that these have turned out great. They just need some cleanup. I still need to do the 6s on the Corona Mark II badges. I need to do those white. I need to paint the front badge of the TA22 black, gloss black, or satin black, sorry, I'll do satin. And I need to do around the letters black on these Deluxe 1700 badges. But this RE40 bonnet badge, other than some cleanup needed and a polish, is pretty well ready to go. This time with the blue I didn't fill it over the dragon, and it has actually shown up much better. It has shown up way better. So it's actually, the resin's just flush with the dragon. And as you can see, I got the blue spot on this time compared to that. That was too light. It's spot on. And it also looks heaps better than this one, filling it up level with that dragon rather than over it, because over it you get a slight blue tinge on the edges of the dragon, which I was happy with. I figured that would be fine. But yeah, I mean, in comparison, that test one is crap compared to the final product, which is just, it's amazing. I can't get over it. I'm just so impressed with how these are turning out. And I have a lot of other badges that I'll definitely be playing with over the coming weeks. They will be restored and no doubt put up for sale. But yeah, so if there's any interest, I mean, you can contact us through the page, through the website. I might have to update the website with a section for badges. God, those colours are nice. I can't get over it. This red is really vibrant too. Really bright red. And this colour was weird. This colour was weird. I was going for a yellow with a tinge of orange in it, just to sort of get the right colour to match original, sort of. But I ended up mixing in some red with yellow, and it went really red. And I was like, oh shit, well, you know, I'm going to roll with it anyway. Red might look okay on these badges. But I noticed, because it's such a thin layer, it actually showed up more orange. All the yellow's showing through, you know, so... But I think definitely cleaning them up, they will look the part. You know, I've got to get some paint on here. I don't know whether to do these 6s in white paint or white resin yet. But we'll find out. I mean, I might go with the resin. It'll give it some depth rather than just painting it a solid white. I'll see what happens time-wise. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I'll catch you next time.